Please don't touch my butthole. It is tender from last night's pounding. I'm sorry. My ass is hurting. My little penis doesn't need to be stroked, it's fine. No.
Oh, trust me, I'm not gonna touch your butthole. I'm gonna fuck your asshole and eat your shit and cum. Now bend over, you tasty little morsel.
No, please. I'm just a poor little helpless boy. My ass isn't supposed to be fucked till I'm at least 10.
Well, that's too fucking bad. You're gonna get a Cleveland steamer and a golden shower, you little hairless juicy sexy thing you. Come on, I have some candy for you.
No. Please? I'm just an innocent hairless young boy. A deer in the headlights. Please don't eat my shit, piss on me, and fuck my hairless little tushy.
It's too late to scream and cry. Just submit, like the little scrumptious morsel you are. Now bend over, bitch.
Ouch. My tushy. Help. He's gonna shit in my mouth. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle.
Now that's what I call ass. 1 down, 100 more to go. For today at least.